Welcome to 15 2nd Street North, a beautiful 3+1 bedroom home with 3 washrooms, nestled on an acre of property and enjoying an idyllic, cottage-like setting within Markham's historic Unionville neighbourhood. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac, this home features a circular driveway as well as a single-car garage, is surrounded by a lush tree canopy, and backs onto the green space of Austin Drive Park. The stone front facade accentuates the quaint cottage-like aura of the home, and an interlocking walkway, garden beds, as well as a covered front porch with a tiled floor provide a charming entry into a naturally bright main level that has the additional brightness of pot lighting throughout. Polished floor tiles flow from the foyer and through to the kitchen area, while hardwood floors bring rich warmth to the living, family, and dining rooms, with all the principal rooms also having the elegant finishing touch of crown moldings. Oversized windows with multiple exposures allow for natural light all day long and amazing views of the surrounding greenery, with many of the windows having light-diffusing blinds, while a soft, neutral color palette throughout enhances their natural brightness. The family room has the rustic accent of a corner fireplace surrounded with stone, while during intimate evenings with guests, the ambient glow of an elegant chandelier envelops the dining room, and entertaining during the warm weather months easily spills to the outdoors through a sliding door walkout from this space. The kitchen is a blend of both traditional and contemporary design, showcasing light-colored cabinetry with a wood grain veneer finish and the striking contrast of dark-colored tiled backsplashes and stone counters, while the cool sleekness of stainless steel is seen with the double undermount sink, the dishwasher, an oven with smooth surface cooktop and dual ovens, as well as a 4-door fridge freezer. The walkout from the kitchen opens onto a sunroom with the rustic outdoor decor of wood-paneled walls and ceilings, a brick accent wall, and oversized windows. And this room has walkouts to both the front yard and onto a brand new backyard deck that offers incredible space for outdoor entertaining and enjoyment, spectacular views of the surrounding tree line, and which steps down to the backyard. The main level also features a powder room with a space-saving vanity, and the staircase to the upper level has the classic finish of hardwood treads with white risers, and this level features wide plank flooring throughout, light-diffusing blinds on all the windows, pot lighting in the hallway, as well as 3 bedrooms, a washroom, and a walk-in storage closet. The 3 bedrooms are quite gracious in their size, while their large windows allow for ample natural brightness and views of the outdoor greenery. Light-colored walls and a southwesterly exposure gives the 2nd bedroom a fresh, airy feel. A northwesterly exposure bathes the 3rd bedroom in soft, diffused light, with this bedroom additionally featuring a walk-in closet. And off the hallway is a linen closet, as well as the incredibly spacious walk-in storage closet, which can also be used as a private office or den, a hobby room, or as a recreation space for older children. The 3-piece washroom features a tiled floor, a vanity with stone counter and undermount basin, a glass shower area with tiled walls, as well as pot lighting. And adjacent to this washroom is the master bedroom. With a fresh color palette and a southeasterly exposure, this bright yet relaxing personal space showcases a walk-in closet, as well as a cozy sitting area separate from the main bedroom space, and which can be converted into additional closet storage or computer nook if desired. Located within a top-notch school district, this home is within the catchment area of Central Park Public, St. Matthew Catholic Elementary, and Markville Secondary Schools, Franklin Street and Reeser Park Public Schools, St. John the 23rd Catholic Elementary School, and top-rated Pierre Elliott Trudeau High School for their French immersion programs, as well as Unionville and Milliken Mills High Schools for their Arts and IB program, respectively. The lower level features a landing area with ceramic flooring and pot lighting, and off this space is both a large storage room and a separate mechanical room. Off a short side hall is access to storage under the staircase, as well as a bonus room that is ideal as a fourth bedroom and which provides access to a combined storage room and laundry area with front-load washer and dryer. The recreation area is quite spacious, has a walkout to the backyard, as well as large above-grade windows for abundant natural lighting and beautiful backyard views. In the corner is a fireplace surrounded with stone, and for entertaining convenience, there is a wet bar with ample counter space and cabinetry storage, plus a stainless steel sink. Completing this level is a three-piece washroom featuring a tiled floor, a wood vanity, and a tiled shower area with glass door. With a premium-sized 1-acre lot set within surroundings that will make cottage getaways a thing of the past, this home is steps to a network of trails in Austin Drive Park which connect to other nearby green spaces, and the Rouge River also meanders through this park. There are also fantastic amenities, services, and attractions just minutes away, including historic Main Street Unionville with its boutique shops and fine restaurants, Two Good Pond Park and the Milne Dam Conservation Area, the new Kennedy Square and CF Markville shopping malls, as well as the Centennial and Unionville GO stations. Within a short drive is the Pacific Mall, golf courses, Markham Stouffville Hospital, the Markham Fairgrounds, and historic Main Street Markham. And there is also quick access to Highway 7, 407, and the 404. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.